Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, Cher, for your introduction. Thank you for the organizer to be here. I will go through my slide. Maybe we saw today so many interesting presentation. My presentation is related to 3D measurement, so I'm going to talk about capturing the impossible. We are a German-based company with head office in Stuttgart. We have few offices in the region, and we focus only on 3D measurement. What we do? Mapping the inaccessible. Maybe some of the gentlemen he saw today, he is using the same technology. We have many reference, we will talk about it later, who are using this technology. Additionally, we are presenting this technology to show you and to try it yourself, how you can mapping the inaccessible in area which is not allowed to access. With this same system, we have with organization called Managem. Managem in Morocco, close to Marrakesh. We went 740 meters underground, and we went in dangerous area where is no one allowed to go. We could survey through a hole, and then we could send the drone, fully autonomous. No need for a pilot license to fly the drone, because the drone will fly fully autonomous. The drone will go to capture in dangerous area, will go by itself, and it's called SLAM technology. That means simultaneously, the drone is, when capturing the data, is allocating itself. So no need for GPS, no need for communication, because the data is sent straight away to the computer inside the laser sensor of scanner, and giving the command to the drone to allocate this area. I am here, and then this is measured. I can go next and measure the next area and come back. Now, with this data, up to you to use it for sure in mining, for your 3D model, and as I said, I'm going to next explain more and more information about it. So, productivity. For rapid scanning and data capture, we are capturing million points per second. I'm capturing by walking, or by putting the scanner on a backpack, or putting the scanner on a car, putting the scanner on a drone, and that is making much more easy. Ability to select location, reducing the file size on a post, continuously scanning, that means was slammed. We know all the LiDAR technology, we can put it on a tripod. We have also a similar solution where you put it on a tripod, but it's a scanner when you scan and you move the scanner step by step. Here you are scanning by walk, as I said, by movement, and it's a fast access to your data. That means after I come back, I take just my USB, put it on my computer or the sensor, and the data is automatically transferred to a computer. It takes twice the time of data capturing the processing of the data. And that's it. Cost saving, for sure, it saves a lot of time. Women and manpower on the site to capture. Low operation cost, you don't need to be an expert. And for sure, it's a upgradable hardware of platform. You can use it also for only mapping, or you can use it, as I said, on a car or on a full autonomous. This is here at Keep Personal Away. It's a similar, this is even in Morocco, a similar case we had where you could really dangerously is not allowed to access. The drone could itself go and measure the area and go again in a hole over 20 meters, measure and come back. It's already proved, as I said, Ma'aden, our main sponsor here, is already using this technology, so we are not talking about future. It's already in use, it's already in Saudi Arabia. Managem and many other sites are using this technology. So it's nothing new, but it's developing better and better. This is also a case which I would like to talk, because we have always a request, do you have something to find underground for gold detection? This is a case project. We are using with this case the first drone in the world. What that means? This drone, what you see here, it was found 30 years ago, and it was the first drone which had been used for filmmaking. It's won already an Emmy Award and 2 Oscars. The James Bond Skyfall, it was being used, the same drone, and we are working with our partners to use different sensors on it. So you can mount different laser scanners. You don't need it only for filming, because you could use it, in this case, for gold detection, as you see. This is a real case project. It's going on since more than 4 years. And with magnetometers, you can detect underground, and you can find what material. For sure, we are not the expert. You are the experts here. You are the geologists, so you know to read the materials, what is under. but you can see the speed and you can see the advantage of it, even for underwater. You could also use it. We have two. We have with turbine, and we have also electric, which is electric can fly 1 hour and carry 10 kilo, whereas with the turbine can fly can carry 30 kilo and fly 3 hours, and can go up to 100 kilometer. And we'd like always to show a real case, real examples, because then it can be. So this is all the information about this project. Overland and oversea, as we just mentioned. It was a 20-day mission, 132 flights. So next one. We work with the Austrian partners, Riegel. They have the longest distance laser. It's a time of flight. We have different types of lasers. There's a phase shift and time flight. So you need a time flight when you are measuring here. We can go range even up to 6 kilometers with a new laser. Here is about 2,500 meters. Accuracy down to a millimeters. And you can imagine if you want to survey this area, it's impossible. With a traditional GPS or traditional equipment, we know it will take years, not weeks, and not months, years to measure such area. And with the laser, where we can reach up to 6 kilometers, it's done in a day. And you need to monitor, you need for sure volume calculation, you need to check. Often, again, it has a GPS here, so you have your exact location. It's work with SIM data. That means I have a SIM card where I can, with my SIM card, transferring my data on site immediately to my colleague in the office, and he receives the data immediately. The same LiDAR we are also using at the moment for surveying complete Qatar with the aircraft. You can mount also the same type of laser, an aircraft. You can fly over complete country and measure and survey complete country. That's a model, as you can see. This is a point cloud. We have also some bathymetric and aerial system where you can mount an echosonder and a traditional drone, because we had already, this was edited in the last minute because some colleagues said, can I measure a survey under bathymetric? Is there now a lot of question going on and request for it? Yes, there are some sensors where you can mount it simply. It's very simple. It's, as you see, 4 or 5 pieces of tools and software mounted on a DJI drone, which all of us know. It's available in the market. And you can survey it. It's for sure the most important is the software, where you can get out of this data from an echosonder and get your model. We have a few references, just quick selection to show you. We are since 10 years in the region here. And we work with a lot of government and research organization. Additionally to Germany, we work also, as I said, universities. We work in Germany with the German Space Agency. In service, there are a few reference companies who are using our solution in the region, who they offer the service for companies, and manufacturing also, we have some reference. I hope I was on time. Thank you very much.